Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning out here. I'm gonna have to make a mad dash for it back to the house here in a second, but check out those clouds. It's coming. How long do I risk sitting out here for? Oh yeah. I think it's gonna rain. Got my GoPro running right out there on the picnic table. All right. Back to the safety of my metal porch in a lightning storm. That was one heck of a wall cloud, wasn't it? Alright, I gotta get inside the door. Sure seems like there's a lot of cars coming down our road. And just like that, it's over. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a rainbow, but just in that one spot. Anyway, I'm gonna walk back out here to where I was when this video started. And just like that, it's over. Nice blue skies coming in. That's pretty cool right there. I don't know where the rest of the rainbow is. Wish it'd quit raining on my head. Check out those clouds. Definitely not like my Mammatus clouds that I filmed quite a few years ago, but pretty close. That looks awesome. What do you think? Yeah, I know you guys are saying, hey dummy, there's still lightning all around you. I realize that. If I get struck, it's my own stupidity. But hey, at least I got it on video, right? I'll walk out here a little bit farther and see if I can't look behind me. I think I'm about to get poured on again. And if you're wondering, we're looking north towards, well, I better watch where I'm walking. I'm about to go into this puddle of water. But we are looking north towards Iron Mountain, Michigan. I'm currently in like East Kingsford, Michigan, so yeah, that's back that way. I'll pan back and look to our west. Back around to our south. Whoa, I don't know where that just was. That's back to the east. And back towards Iron Mountain. Those Mammatus clouds are popping again, I see. Just walk up over here a little bit. I don't mind a little rain. Heck, I think I need it after this hot day today. That's pretty cool, hey? Alright, now we can get back and look to the north. Well, that's going to be it for my video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You know, I got wet for you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. What's the worst weather you've ever seen before and experienced? Give me a story below. I want to hear them. Oof, that's some cold rain. And I wonder what this is going to look like. Still recording. We're going to let that go just for a little bit more. Have a great night, everybody. Stay safe.